Hello! The things we do for our kids. Yeah, that's right. A lifetime Android user has finally picked up his first Apple product in years. Actually, come to think about it, the last time I purchased an Apple product, Steve Jobs was alive. And it just so happens it was actually an iPod Classic. Now I know that this 7th generation iPod Touch has been out for a few months now. And when I first saw this, I thought it would be great for parents that would like to give their kids a cell phone, but they don't want to pay the data fees, they don't want to pay those extra charges that you get from having a cell phone bill. But from my understanding, this does everything a cell phone does except make calls. So let's see if this is a better alternative to a cell phone for your kids. This is the 7th generation iPod Touch. So I picked this up at Best Buy for $200. And of course, this is the base model, so it only comes with 32 gigabytes of onboard storage. But if it's for your kid, it should be plenty. And since this is for my daughter, which she's actually turning 13 in a couple months, this is the pink version. Cause you know your boy, rockin' pink, it just ain't my thing. So let's see what you get with two Benjamins. So here's the front of the device. So of course, Apple has that protective sticker that, you just peel right off and then the screen will be visible at that time. Side, we got some branding, iPod Touch. Other side, same thing. On the back, we have the amount of storage and it talks about what it comes with. So it looks like we're getting the iPod Touch, of course, some ear pods and a lightning to USB cable. I don't expect this to have a power brick, so I'm gonna have to use one that I already have, which is no big deal. I have tons of them laying around, so. But that's about it, so let's get into it. Well, that's nice that it folds down. All right, let's take that off. Okay, designed by Apple in California. What's that saying? West Coast is the best coast? I beg to differ, but we'll go with it. Right underneath that, looks like we have some instructions right here. There's our AirPods and then our lightning cable. Along with the instructions, you also get some Apple stickers. My daughter will go hog wild over these. So let's see, do you just pop it out? What do you do? It's in there pretty good, but okay. I don't know, maybe I'll just pull this flap and see. What the?
One eternity later.
All right, I got it. Presentation, hey, it's good. Apple kind of sets the bar for that. So let's take a look around. So we got that nice pink finish. Looks like an aluminum back and definitely not a fingerprint magnet, which is good. You have your camera lens on the back, but I don't know what that is. So you got your lightning port at the bottom. Looks like a speaker grill and a 3.5 millimeter headphone jack. Up top, we got our power button. And on the left side of the screen, we got our volume down and our volume up. On the front, we have our front-facing camera and we have our home button. But let's fire it up and see if this baby's got any juice. Well, unlike most electronic devices that come pre-juiced, this one's not. So I guess I'm gonna have to charge it up and I'll be right back. So I definitely learned something new today. I had no idea that Apple products came dead. And I don't know if that's because of the battery fiasco that they had last year, I believe. But this thing's at 5% and it turned on and I'm gonna continue to charge it as we proceed with this video. So it greets me with hello. Hello iPod in a bunch of different languages. So I guess we'll double tap this. Try it again. Okay. English, United States. If you have an iPhone or iPad running, don't have either, so we'll set up manually. Let me choose the Wi-Fi. All right, Wi-Fi set up. Now, data and privacy. Is that gonna be? Okay, yeah, let's continue. Blah blah blah. All right, let's create a passcode. Passcode options. What should I use? We just won't set up a passcode right now. I guess we'll create a passcode. All right, passcode has been set. Let's set up as a new iPod Touch. Forgot password or don't have an Apple ID. That is me. Create a free Apple ID. Let's set up my daughter's birthday. Okay. Express settings. Okay, continue. Keep up to date with your iPod Touch. Continue. Screen time, get weekly reports. Yeah, that's fine. App analytics. Okay. And get started. And there we go. We're in. So the look on the actual home screen actually doesn't look much different than the sticker. Hey, all right. We got some. Does this thing have, let's see. This is all fresh to me, so it's gonna take me a lot to get used to. My daughter, on the other hand, she has friends that have Apple products, so it shouldn't be that big of a deal for her. But let's see what comes pre-installed. So you get FaceTime, calendar, photos, camera. Let's check out that camera. So that's the rear camera. So you got video mode, slow-mo, time-lapse. What else you got? Square and pano. Okay, so that's panorama. Okay. Oops. Okay, I guess we'll go home. Let's see what else. Contacts, clock, maps, weather, Apple TV, stocks, App Store, of course, health, settings. All right, GarageBand, podcasts. Hey, find friends. So if you're lost and alone, you can click and go into this app and you can find your friends. But yeah, there she be. So there's a couple of reasons why I think this is a better alternative to giving your teenager a cell phone. And the first thing is you have to connect this over Wi-Fi. So they're limited as to where they can have access to FaceTime, to the internet, and to texting. Also, you're looking at price. This is $200. So if you want to buy an iPhone, you're spending anywhere from $700, $800, $1,000 plus to give to your kids. Now I know we all want to give our kids the best, but at that chunk of change, working your 9 to 5, struggling to make ends meet, you know, money doesn't grow on trees. So this could actually be a win for the parents and a win for the teenager. I mean, think about it. How are the youth communicating today? It's all via text and video chat. It's very rare for a teenager to pick up the phone and call somebody. So this allows them to communicate with their friends and their family via text and FaceTime. So what do you guys think? Are you gonna pick this up for your child or teenager? Or heck, maybe even you. Let me know down in the comments below what your thoughts are on this. And maybe in about a month or so, I'll do a follow-up video letting you know if it actually worked out. So if you're ready to buy or would like more information on the 7th generation iPod Touch, leave a comment down below or click the link in the description. Don't forget to subscribe and click the notification bell to make sure you're alert for all things handsome gadgets. Please give it a thumbs up if you liked the video, and I guess a thumbs down if you didn't care for it. Don't forget to follow me on Twitter @HandsomeGadgets. Thank you and have a good one.